everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's been kind of cold here in BC. I hope everybody's staying safe. I have another unboxing, so let's go ahead and see what I got. This is from the World of Disney in Florida. Personal shopper is Mouseaholic Shopping, and I'll leave her information below for you. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos, and that's at least once or twice a week, sometimes more. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. All right, so it came in a box like this, and let me go ahead and got my blade, and we'll go ahead and see what I got from Disney. And the character warehouses have opened, so if anybody's interested in checking those videos out online, I would highly recommend, because you can get way better deals than Shop Disney. But at the time, the character warehouse wasn't open, so this was my only thing that I could do at this time, so we'll see. All right, so I got my Haunted Mansion Crocs, and these glow in the dark. Okay, those are pretty cool. And I got my Haunted Mansion mask. Let's go ahead and take that out. See what it looks like. Oh, okay, this is nice. It's got the things, and this is a large size. Alright, so that should fit good. That's the wallpaper of the Haunted Mansion. Alright. And my last one, glow in the dark. That's off of my Haunted Mansion Crocs. Okay, that's cool. Alright, and last but not least, only got 3 things for this time, because it wasn't the character warehouse. Yeah, you gotta pay full price sometimes. Alright. Yeah, they wrap everything really nice, because this is all glass. Oh my god, it's not broken. Oh, thank God. This is the Maleficent mug. And this is all glass. Can you believe it? It came all the way from Florida. Oh my god. Yeah, they do a really outstanding job. So I'll link all her information below if you're interested in ordering anything. She's more than happy to help you out. And they do ship international. So just keep that in mind. Alright, that's my Shop Disney haul from Personal Shopper in Florida in the States. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.